Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Muhammad Afiq Ikmal bin Zainuddin, and today I will going to conduct an experiment about moment. So firstly, I will explain about moment. What is moment? Moment is the turning effect of a force around a pivot around a fixed point called pivot. So what are the parameters of moments? There are several parameters of moments, for example, like the size of the force and the perpendicular distance from the pivot to the line of action of the force. So, for today, I am going to give one example that can relate to moment. So, as you can see here, there is a door here where we can apply the principle of moment. So here we can see that there is a pivot here. So we can tell that the door will move with a fixed point at the pivot here. So I will explain with one factor, which is the perpendicular distance from the pivot to the line of action of the force. So let's say if we are going to push the door here, which is very far from the pivot. So if I push it here, so it's so easy to push the door, so that less force will be used to push the door. So what if I push it here, which is the line action of the force is very near to the pivot. So we can see here that it is much harder to push the door here than here, because that the perpendicular distance of the line action of the force is near to the pivot, which is the fixed point. So that I will conclude that if the distance of the line of action of the force is far from the pivot, we need to just use less force rather than push it here, which is the line of action of the force is near to the pivot. So that's all from me. Thank you. For the second experiment, I will change the size of the moment of this experiment. So as you can see here, there is one spoon at both sides of the hanger, so it will create balance in the system. So what happens when I add one spoon at one side of the hanger? So if you can see, if I add one spoon here, okay, you can see that the hanger tends to turns this way. That means the hanger will rotate here, like it will rotate at the rotation of clockwise. So we can see that it will affect the moment of the system, because there is more spoon here than here. So we can see that the rotation will be on the counterclockwise direction. So after that, we can repeat the experiment by adding one more spoon in the right side of the hanger to look for what will happen if there is more spoon being added into the right side of the hanger. So actually the weight of the spoon is 20 gram, which is equivalent to 0.02 kilogram. So when we are going to find the force resulted by this the spoon. So we can find it by using the formula of F equal to mg. So we need to multiply with the gravitational acceleration to get the force exerted by one spoon.